Hi, welcome to my new video. Today, I'm going to show you 4 sorting methods on different data. These 4 data are imaginary. After learning all those methods, you can apply sorting function in any type of data. First we will sort the marks. For example, you have a record of 15 students with their marks. But the results are scattered, not in proper order. The highest marks should be in top, and the lowest in bottom. To sort the marks, first, select any cell in marks column. Then click the right mouse button. You will see the sort command with 2 possible outcomes: sort small to largest and sort largest to smallest. Or you can go to Home ribbon, then click Sort and Filter. The result is same. This is numerical column. That's why Excel tells you to sort whether from highest or from lowest. But if you select any text column, it will tell you to sort either from A to Z, or other word, ascending order, or from Z to A, descending order. Let's see our first method. We will not sort the serial number. It will remain the same. So, we will select the rest of data. It is the safest way. Click the mouse right button. Go to Sort. Then, click Custom Sort. Make sure to add a check mark to My Data Has header. If unchecked, drop down will show the column letters A, B, C instead of heading. So, add a check mark first. It will show the heading. From the Sort By drop down, select the first column you want to sort. In this case, marks. Select largest to smallest from order. Excel will sort your data into a proper order. You can sort 2 or more column. Here, you can see 2 students got 95 marks, but their ID is not in proper order. So we need to sort their ID as well. Select the entire data again, without serial number. Now click Add Level button. Select ID and A to Z from Order drop-down list. Click OK button. The data will be sorted accordingly. It will first sort the marks, then it will sort the ID. Now, you can see, the ID has been sorted properly. That's all from our first method. Now, let's see the second technique. Here, we will sort the months from January to December. Select the entire data first. Click mouse right button. Go to Sort, then Custom Sort. Select Months from Sort By drop-down list. From the Order drop-down list, you cannot use any of the option. If you select A to Z, months will sort alphabetically, and April will be at top. To help you on this type of data, Excel has its own custom list. Go to Custom Sort again. Select Months from Sort by List. Select Custom List from Order drop-down. Here, you will see some predefined list. Select the month's name, and you will see the entries in the right. Click OK. Now, the order changed to the name of months. Click OK. Here you go. The data has been sorted month-wise. Let's go for third technique. Here, we have some names, along with their designation. And, we need to sort them according to the hierarchy. That means, Mr. John Andrew, General Manager, will be at top. And then, Mr. and Claire, Assistant General Manager. And, so on. First, select the entire data. Click mouse right button, go to Sort, then Custom Sort. Select Designation from Sort by List. But now, you cannot use any of the option from Order. If you click on Custom List, you will not see any list of your hierarchy either. That's because this hierarchy is created by you. And now, you need to create a list of hierarchy for Order drop-down. To do so, go to File. Click Option. Then, Advanced. Scroll down until you see Edit Custom List button. Click it. You will see a formula box of Import List from Cells. Click inside the empty box. And select the range of cells of hierarchy list. After selecting, click Import button. You can see a new list has been created along with their entities. Click OK. Now, you can sort based on your hierarchy. First, select the entire data. Go to Sort, then Custom Sort. Choose Designation from Sort by drop-down. Click Custom List. Now, select your new list. Click OK button. Your data will be sorted accordingly. Now, we will go for our fourth and the last sorting method. Till now, we sort the column. Now, I will show how to sort a row data. In this weekly expenses data, you can see the name of the weeks are not in proper order. To sort in order, first select the data and go to Custom Sort. To sort a row, click on Option button. Then choose from left to right option. In Sort by box, the row number will appear instead of column. Select row 2 because the heading of the data is in row 2. Now, select Custom Sort from Order. Now, select the week's name and click OK to exit. The data is sorted by the value of selected row. That's all. Hope you like my video. Now start practicing and apply these techniques to your data. Thank you.